I'm Phil Sponenberg, and I thought I would go ahead and introduce myself. I'm a professor of pathology and genetics here at the Virginia, Maryland Regional College of Veterinary Medicine. And as part of that work, over about the last 50 years, I've been working with breed conservation. And this is true across species and also across countries. So I work a lot in Latin America, but also in Europe, a little bit in South Africa, and of course here in North America. My main interest is in the conservation and preservation and development of these local breed resources like the Spanish goat that have been overlooked for many, many years. And basically, these are our true genetic treasures, truly American genetic treasures. We need to make sure that we monitor them carefully, develop them carefully, conserve them carefully. As local breeds, they run the risk of extinction just because they were never documented. This was a problem that Leslie Edmondson and I first addressed, and now it's gone on to a new generation of conservators and breeders. Each one of you is important in that endeavor. As we go forward, it's important to remember where we got this resource. This is the older breeders that had traditional ways of managing their livestock for adaptation and for productivity. And as a local breed, they're extremely important because this is the sort of thing that can get lost extremely easily. We nearly lost it with the importation of Boer goats and Kiko goats as people started changing their definition of what a good goat is. And for me, the definition of a really, really good goat is actually a herd of goats that produces well in a situation. So if we measure productivity on the basis of an entire land area, then things like the Spanish goat are going to excel. Nothing's going to outperform them. But how to manage that, how to measure that, how to keep that going is extremely important. One of my main issues is just keeping the little pieces that go into it together so that those go down into the future. And as it becomes better organized, we're going to see some programs become more popular, some programs become less popular. It's extremely important to keep all those pieces together because we know even from the way that this goat has fared in the face of competition with other goat breeds, people change their ideas. They go back, they follow fads. Some of those fads pan out, some of those fads don't pan out. As that goes forward, we need to be really, really careful. What this means is we need to take care of the breeder community. We need to take care of the goats. And we can do that, but we need to pay attention because we know that mistakes have been made in the past. And over the past, we've learned that we need this resource and we need to keep it viable, vital, and part of a productive enterprise for American goat breeders. Good luck with your meeting. I wish I were there, but due to the whole situation here and the whole situation in universities, that proved out to be impossible. But hopefully next year we can all get together and celebrate more successes for this breed.